Welcome to Monocle Man Reviews. According to the 6 categories that I normally review a watch, in terms of looks, the watch has a unique design. If it didn't have the 2 side pillars, I think it would just be a normal, regular, rectangular watch. And I think this is what gives it its styling. It's nice and thin. It has a nice genuine leather band on it. It's almost like a crocodile style band, and it's curved as well, so it fits your wrist nicely. It has a very nice, I would say it's almost like a oyster shell, abalone shell, or a black pearl type surface dial, and diamonds as well. Now I'm assuming these are real diamonds, but they're just inexpensive diamonds just for show. It's a very sharp looking watch. Let's look at the material. It's a sapphire crystal. It's stainless steel. It's genuine leather band. So it has all of the good qualities that you'd be looking at in a watch. It's Swiss made. Has that beautiful luster. You could see color. You could see some colors reflecting. The clasp. It's a special clasp. It's stainless steel. It's one of those quick clasps that you can put the watch on very easily. You don't have to aim for the pin, and I'll explain how it works here. This clasp opens up, and you find the actual adjustment hole that you want to try, and once you find that correct a setting, you don't have to set it again. It's a one-time deal. Then all you have to do is you put the watch on, you close the rear of the clasp, and then the front, it just slides. Okay, and the front, it just slides into the, and I'm trying to make sure I'm in camera, sorry. And the front just slides into the loop here, and then you click it in, and it's in. So that's it. People buy this watch, and as I did, wasn't familiar with it, and thought, how do you exactly adjust this watch? But it's quite simple. I think people, they try to find the right hole, and they try to get it put on, but they make it overly complicated. You don't have to. Once it's in, this is how quickly the watch goes on. Like this, like that, like that. It's on. That's it. You don't have to fiddle with the pinholes 20 times a day. You find the right one, and it's a basically trial and error. You'll find the right one, and once it's set, that's it. You don't have to play with it, and that saves your band. You don't have to bend this strap 50 times in a month, 60 times in a month, putting it on and off your wrist, and it gets wrecked. This thing actually saves the band, this system, and it's so easy to use. I mean, it's not even funny anymore. Simple, just like that. Let me make sure that that's the one thing with this watch. You gotta make sure you have it on the right side. You don't have it upside down. A lot of times I'll put it on the wrong way because you're not used. It's very symmetrical. So there, that's it. And to set the hole, It's just this thing unclips. This thing over here unclips, and like that. There we go. See? Can you see the pin? Let me see if I can. I don't know if I can get it. Just a minute, right there. There's the pin. Once that's set, you find the right hole, put it in, clip, it's in there. Now, every day, all you do is step 1, step 2. That's it. I'm not going to repeat it 50 times here because you're just going to skip through anyway, so I won't do that. Build. We did the material. The build is very good. I mean, it's very flush. The actual sapphire crystal is very flush with the bezel. It's triple signed as well. So on the back of it, I'm just going to take a look. It says that it's a Architect 2001 LD registered model, limited edition, and then it has my number out of 500. It's a sapphire crystal glass. It says Xezo stainless steel, 5 ATM, water resistant, Swiss made. That's what it says on the back. I did open it up to change the battery. I think it's a 2 joule. There are some joules, believe it or not. It's a quartz watch, but it's got 2 joules or 3 joules, somewhere around there. Next time I open it up, I'll let you know. Very well machined. This is very well machined, this clasp. They even put the nice swirls into it with the machine. Looks solid. It works perfectly. The spring feels very firm. And functionality. It's easy to see, believe it or not. It's because it does have a curved glass, but it's sapphire, and I think it's a must to have a sapphire. Doesn't have the date. There's no second hand. This is a formal watch, and that's fine. Comfort. Once you put this watch on, it's curved and it conforms to your wrist. You don't even know you have it on. It's not really, you'd think that this would be a little bit wide. It's not. It's nice and thin as well, and it fits under your sleeve very easily. The price, this was years ago. I don't know what it costs now, but you get a lot of value for this, for what you spend. I mean, sapphire crystals at least 100 for a standard one. This is curved right there. It's good value, and it's Swiss made. It's not overseas in Asia, which, I mean, they make okay watches, but you can't beat Swiss. And it's got that black mother of pearl dial as well. And you can see the color. It's very nice. In person, it's very nice. It's limited edition, and they did a good job with this watch, I think. I mean, it's a step up from your regular big box store watches, for sure. If you like this video, please subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.